6 months ago, I started a YouTube cash cow business. What is it? How could you start this? How do you get views? And how do you make money on YouTube without showing your own face? Watch this video and let's find out. Yes guys, hope you're doing amazing. My name is Lucien and in this video you will find out what YouTube cash cow automation is, how you get views and how you can make money on YouTube without showing your own face, guys. So make sure you watch the whole video because you really don't want to miss this. Cash cow, aka YouTube automation, is having a YouTube channel without showing your face and making videos yourself. So as an example guys, you have a YouTube channel about Elon Musk, then you have somebody on Fiverr or Upwork who makes your videos and you upload that video, and for every 1000 views you get paid by YouTube. So it's a super upcoming business model, and if you ever saw on YouTube somebody saying that you can make money online without making videos yourself, then it was going about YouTube automation. The first step when you start with YouTube automation is picking your niche, aka the subject where you will be going to make videos about. So you can make cash cow videos about celebrities, finance, dating, sports, food and many other more things. So step number 1 is pick a niche which you're interested in and has a high CPM. What is CPM? It stands for cost per mille, and mille stands for 1000 views. CPM is the amount of money you get for every click on a certain ad. And so as an example, if you make cash cow videos about celebrities, you can have a CPM of $5, and if you make cash cow videos about finance, your CPM could be $15. YouTube pays for every 1000 views, and CPM is not the amount of money you get paid by YouTube. The amount of money you get paid by YouTube is the RPM, which stands for revenue per mille, and mille of course stands again for the 1000 views like CPM, and YouTube takes a big share of 55% of your CPM. So as an example, if your CPM is $100, your RPM would be around $55, and $55 your RPM, that is the amount guys you get paid by YouTube. The fastest way to get views is to go to a big cash cow channel, just look for a video which has done recently really well, just then make something similar. How do you make money on YouTube without showing your own face and making videos yourself, guys? The big question, and to be honest the answer is really simple. Just hire the right people on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. A cash cow video exists of a script, voiceover, video editing and a thumbnail. Just hire somebody on Fiverr, Upwork or any other freelancer platform. Just let them make those parts of the video, then just upload the video yourself, and that's how you make money on YouTube without showing your own face. The big question, how did YouTube automation for the last couple of months work out? As you guys know, we give away 1 free consulting call in every single video guys, and the winner of this video is Digital Canyon. Bro, thank you so much for your amazing comment. The only thing we can do is if you say such nice things in the comments, it gives you an amazing call, bro. So thank you for your amazing comment. Just send me a DM on my Instagram, which will be right here, and we will just hop on a Zoom call. And if you want to be the winner of the next free consulting call, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and comment something really nice in the comment section down below, guys. The winner of this call will be announced somewhere in the next video. How did YouTube automation work out? Let me show you this in YouTube Studio. So guys, yes, we're right now in YouTube Studio, and we started with YouTube automation. We started on 7 January 2022. Yes guys, so today it's 7 January 2022, and today we start with cash cow! So as you guys saw the video, we started on 7 January 2022, and our first video was uploaded on the 17th January 2022. So it's 10 days, and why back then we were also doing bob.com. It was going really well, great business model also, but we saw cash cow. Cash cow is also really upcoming. We saw a lot of opportunities, so we switched. So in those days, 7 January 2022, we closed our whole bob.com business, and then bought an American course, and 10 days later our first cash cow video was online. And then what you can see guys is it was just 3 months struggling. So 3 months struggling. Right here I uploaded a video which got 60k views, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that was just luck. And then if you go further, then what you can see is then right here on 25 March the channel took off. And I'm being honest with you guys, on 25 March it wasn't luck anymore. So in the beginning we didn't know anything about cash cow, but still after 3 months of uploading every single day and our doing best, we still didn't really get results. And every video we upload every day for 3 months, and every video cost approximately $50. So 50 x 90 is $4,500 further with no results, and that's not really funny, guys. So this was not really nice because you're working really hard, of course. You're doing your best and you don't get any results. So after 3 months, I just asked our friend Willem for help. So who's Willem? Willem is a really good friend of ours, and he is doing cash cow for more than 2 years. He runs multiple successful cash cow channels. He's actually also the reason that we started cash cow. So I said to him, bro, we're doing cash cow right now for more than 3 months. I'm really doing my best, following our course, watching so many videos on YouTube, searching for so many information on the internet, but to be honest, I really don't see any progression or improvement. Could you please help me? He then came to our office. True story this. He said, bro, let me have a look at your channel. So he said, do you have any videos ready? Back then I had 10 titles, so I had 10 new video ideas ready. He just changed the titles. Absolute bangers, guys, insane. So back then I also had a video that was ready to be uploaded. So the editor just edited the video, it was ready to go on YouTube, and Willem just changed the title of the video, and he said to me from, bro, do you want me to make a thumbnail? I said, of course, bro, let's go make the thumbnail. He took his phone, guys, true story, he texted somebody. Within 10 minutes, he had an amazing thumbnail, a super thumbnail in 10 minutes. We uploaded the video with the title and thumbnail that Willem made. Best video ever uploaded on the whole channel, guys. Instantly, by far, best video ever uploaded on the channel. Willem changed the title, he made the thumbnail. The script, voiceover, editing was the same as it always has been on the channel. Video, best I ever had. This was around 25 March, guys. So this was around 25 March. And back then, the channel took off. So Willem, thank you for everything. 110 Willem 1 on Instagram, guys. It will pop up right here. Make sure you follow him. After we got the right strategies from April, it just took off, guys. As we can see, we almost got 100,000 views in 1 day. And what we can see eventually is at the end of April, the views went down. And why is that? We started with cash cow. So the only thing we did was just working, going to the gym, and looking after nutrition. So that's the only 3 things we did for 4 months. And of course you're young, of course everybody wants a little relaxation. As we guys can see, is we upload every single day. Then okay guys, we all did a great month. We thought, okay, let's go boys, let's celebrate a little bit. So what we did at the end of April, we went partying. We just partied 4 days straight. I didn't put somebody on the cash cow to do it. Just didn't touch my laptop for more than 4 days. It took me more than 100 cash cow videos to become even monetized, and monetized means that you earn money with YouTube. So this is actually exact the same story as we had with dropshipping. So in October 2018, me and my twin brother, we started with dropshipping. Yeah, it was just struggling really hard. So after 9 months, we invested in somebody who was dropshipping, who was doing dropshipping for a long time, who was really successful with it. The results went up. Exactly the same story with cash cow. So we asked somebody who is doing this for a long time, who has amazing results. We asked them for help. He helped us and the results went up. So guys, if you want to become successful in any area of your life, search, ask and learn from somebody who is already successful, invest in them, and that's the fastest road to success. So that was the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also let us know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you want to see. So guys, thank you for watching and I will see you soon.